Hello, my name is Juan Pablo Cuellar. I am from 7B and I will measure the height of my house with a mirror. Let's go. First, I put the mirror in that place because if you see over where I am placed, it is reflect with the corner of my house with the center of the mirror. So now we are going to measure from where I am placed to the center of the mirror. It is 1.65. 1.65 centimeters. Now we are going to measure from the center of the mirror to the wall. And 55. So 3 meters and 55 centimeters. Now my height it is 1.60 centimeters. So we write 1.60 centimeters, and we don't know the height of my house, so we are going to use a variable that in this case will be x. So now we are going to organize the data. So now, first it is the x divided by this 3.55. It is equal, we clean over here, it is equal to 1.60, that it was my height, 1.60, sorry, and 1.65, that was the data of the center of the mirror to where I was placed. Now we do an x in the equal sign. Now we put the x over here. Is x by 1.65. Here is multiplying, and here 3.55 multiplied by 1.60. 3.55 multiplied by 160. Point here. So now to get the x alone, we have to get out this 1.65. So I have another paper here. It is over here. So we cancel. I have 1.65. 1.65 over here because this 1.65 was over here, and to cancel that we divide it because in this place was multiplying by the x. So to cancel that number we have to divide it by the same number. So here is anything, is just the x, and in the other side is dividing this. So 3.55 multiplied by 1.60 is 5.68. So we divided by 1.65. So this is here is the procedure of the division, and this is the result. Here I forgot centimeters. So this is 3.440 centimeters is the height of my house. Hello, this is the second part of the video. We are going to measure the height of my house, and we are going to do a second technique that is with a picture that we are going to take it now. Okay, we almost take it. So we are going to measure my height in the picture and the height of the house in the picture and my height. And the height of my house, we are going to find it with that data. So we are going to measure with this photo. It is 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters. And over here is 6 centimeters. Okay. Now we are going to do a procedure that we almost do it. That is this one. This is the procedure. The data I take that my height in the real life is 1.60 centimeters. The height of me in the picture is 3 centimeters, and the height of my house in the picture is 6 centimeters, and the height in the real life we are going to find it. So we organize the data that we put the 1.60 centimeters over here and the 3 centimeters at the bottom, and we put an equal sign, and we put the x, a variable that is going to represent the height of my house, and the 6, the height of my house in the picture that we we are going to solve this proportion. This is first we do the x here in the equal sign. We organize the data. This is like in the other part of the video, so we understand this. This is the result of the multiplication that is between this. This is, and the division between this and this is 3.20 centimeters. So that is the second part of the video, and thank you. Hello, this is the third part of the video. I am going to measure the height of my house with the shadow, that in this case we don't have a shadow, but in the first video we see the shadow, and we can calculate the measure of that. So here in the first part of the video, the shadow ends here. So we are going to measure it from here. It is 4.5 centimeters. Now my shadow, when I was placed here, the shadow goes right there. So now we are going to measure. 190. 190. Now the other measurement, the other data is my height, that it is 160 centimeters. And now I am going to show you the procedure to solve the proportion. The x, that is the variable to find the height of my house, and 1.60, that is my height, 4.05 centimeters, that is where the shadow of the house ends. 1.90 is my shadow. So here I do the cross over here, and this multiplied by this, and this with this. This is the procedure. This is the multiplication, the division, and the result is 3.41 centimeters. It is it is so near to the first. And why we do that? Because there are similar figures, like a triangle. When you do that, it's like a triangle, like it goes here and there, and then my height here, a triangle. So there are similar figures. That is why I can find the measurement of the height of my house. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.